What is the process for linking my Xfinity account with my Roku device?
Hello. Today we're going to walk you through the process of linking your Xfinity account with your Roku device. This allows you to access your Xfinity services directly from your Roku, bringing all your favorite entertainment to one place. Let's get started.
Checking your Xfinity and Roku accounts.
First things first, make sure that you have your Xfinity account credentials handy. You'll need them for the linking process. Also, confirm that your Roku device is set up and connected to your TV and Wi-Fi.
Installing the Xfinity Stream App on Roku.
Now, you'll need to install the Xfinity Stream App on your Roku device. Follow these steps. 1. From your Roku's home screen, navigate to the Roku Channel Store. 2. In the Channel Store, search for Xfinity Stream. 3. Highlight the Xfinity Stream App and select Add Channel. Wait for the installation to complete.
Launching the Xfinity Stream App and logging in.
With the Xfinity Stream App installed, it's time to link your Xfinity account. Follow these steps. 1. From your Roku's home screen, navigate to your channel list and find the Xfinity Stream App. 2. Open the app. The first time you open it, you'll see a welcome screen with the option to get started. Click on it. 3. A screen with a code will appear. Make note of this code as you'll need it to link your Xfinity account.
Linking your Xfinity account.
Now, you'll use another device like a laptop or smartphone to complete the linking process. 1. Open a web browser and go to xfinity.com/authorize. 2. You'll be prompted to enter the code you noted from your Roku screen. 3. After entering the code, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Xfinity account using your Xfinity username and password. After you've logged in, your Roku device will refresh, and the Xfinity Stream app should be linked to your Xfinity account. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Xfinity account to your Roku device. Now you can enjoy your Xfinity services right on your Roku. We hope this guide was helpful, and you can always refer back to it if you need help with this process again. Happy streaming!